What's the deal with those blankets wrapped around tires at the racetrack? What do they do? What are they for? And do you need a set? Today on MC Garage, we talk about tire warmers. Motorcycle tires rely on mechanical grip to get us around the track and the street safely. This is what we call traction. It all comes down to how the tire is put together. Rubber compounds, carcass construction, tread design, and tire profile all play a part in how we accelerate, brake, and corner. But there's one more important piece to this equation, and that's tire temperature. For a street ride, you wouldn't shoot out of your garage, slam the thing over in a corner, and start dragging your knee and elbow. That's just plain crazy. Instead, you'd pull out, cruise through some corners, and get your tires up to a nice operating temperature, which would be about 165 to 180 degrees. But what do you do when you're at the racetrack? On race day, there's no time to cruise around and let your tires warm up. You need to get to that first turn and around it safely in order for a good finish. It makes perfect sense to run tire warmers. But on a track day, there's other reasons to use them. We're not all Valentino Rossi, but we can benefit from tire warmers at the track. These things do exactly what they say they do. They use an internal heating element to bring everything up to temp so your tires are ready to hit the track. Think of them as an electric blanket for your tires. With warmers, you're gonna have the confidence to ride more aggressively sooner, and you're controlling one more variable of your motorcycle setup, and that's your tires. You can't control the track, you can't control the other riders, but at least your tires are consistent. Tire warmers also help prolong the life of your tire. If you head out on the track with a tire that's not up to temp, you could cold tear a tire. This is basically where the tire isn't pliable enough and it basically shreds. This is easily avoidable though, with the proper temp and proper pressure. There's numerous brands of tire warmers out on the market. Some of them you just plug in and they have a switch for low, medium, and high. But others actually have computer-controlled modules that allow you to set the temperature exactly. You can also set how quickly they come up to temp. And that's important. If this is a new tire or the first heat up of the day, you're gonna wanna get that heat in there gradually. Don't throw these things on high 10 minutes before you hit the track. It's not gonna work out. All you're gonna do is heat up the surface of the tire. What you need is the entire wheel and tire carcass to be warm before you head out. Tire warmers run about $350 to $750. That's a big investment. But hey, you've spent 600 bucks on your tires, you spent 300 bucks on a track day, and who knows how much you spent on your motorcycle. 500 bucks in the long run, it's definitely worth it. You'll prolong the life of your tires, you're gonna have better confidence in those early laps, and you get to control another variable in your traction equation. In the end, that makes for a much better track day. That's it for this episode of MC Garage. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them down below. If you like what we're doing, hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.